Chinese smartphone batteries have made significant advancements in recent months, thanks to the introduction of silicon-carbon technology. This trend is expected to continue, according to many recent rumors. Today, there's a buzz about an upcoming Honor mid-range phone that will reportedly feature an impressive 8,000 mAh battery. Just a couple of years ago, such a battery capacity would have seemed unimaginable. In addition to the large battery, the phone is also expected to have high-quality speakers, boasting up to 300% more volume than typical mid-range devices. The phone is rumored to be powered by a Snapdragon 7 series chipset, though the exact model is still unclear. Unfortunately, there are no further details available at the moment, including when the phone might be officially unveiled and launched. We'll be sure to keep you updated as more information becomes available.